Hi and welcome to the Geek Legion of Doom. This is a mini unboxing review and I'll be having a look at 30 Days of Night 2-disc special edition, which I believe was an exclusive in the UK to the retailer MVC when they were still around. So this one has got a card outer sleeve. Now 2 discs, disc 1 film commentary with Josh Hartnett, Melissa George and the producer Robert Tappert. And you've got an icon trailer reel. Disc 2, 8 making of documentaries, pre-production, The Vampire Building, Barrow, The Cast, The Look, Blood, Guts, and The Nasty Shit, Night Shoot, and Stunts. So we put it out. And then what you've got are your 2 discs. But what you've also got is a reprint of the comic graphic novel. So as I say, this I believe was a retailer exclusive to here in the UK at least, to one called MVC, but it might be available in other countries with different retailers. There you go.